Right, fantastic morning. I'm going to see the good among some 12 so. Na somebody on talk so there's a fantastic thing get away senior do rebia na your banisana ye Franco Trading Enterprise for the SCA conquering sound about Franco Trading Enterprise. My patch phone papa fee was the same phone qua and water on refrigerators for their bedroom TV. I hold was CCTV cameras, washing machine. You know, be a Franco Trading Enterprise. Yadama sense, I see a conquana or more. Bernard Paddy will me producer. Kejuan Kasani Erica Sidu, but the say the FIDE English FA Cup and of course Saturday games are hot draw about so Manchester United. Arsenal Fimo 1-1 no more boy 5-3 on penalties. United are through to the next stage. Chelsea winning 5-0 over Mokambi. Man City also through. Liverpool so it's my Badwam to the next round of the competition. Yanko England. I don't know the course so the English FA Cup the fourth round draw. Abetobo Brighton and Chelsea and the Man City and Leicester City so at the Badwam Miyimu ama big guys no officials Abetobo Plymouth and Liverpool, Everton, Bournemouth, Aston Villa, Tottenham Hotspur. One more on the Badwam in the next round. Stoke City, Cardiff City, Doncaster Rovers and the Crystal Palace. We and it's in the fourth round draw. As we see it here for a record 15-time FC Barcelona in the Spanish Super Cup. Atumiaje anyasam ketwakra enra once again was sign echi Carlo Ancelotti ne mrante na no mani da hokre 10 against 11 5 and omutimi go Real Madrid at Madrid team ayamino yankopie mo Saudi Arabia right also the Spanish Super Cup limo Barcelona atumi aje the fi Real Madrid in some simple crane adia but yankopie mo the MTN FA Cup has to folk through the next stage. Tanson Akoro qualify for the next stage of the competition. One more opponent, some of the FM so I'm going to go win 2-0. Has to focus winning 3-0 together with other results. A pass winning FA Cup. Yamongre Morgana.
Ablo plays a long one. This is Saka Dauda. He takes on the goalkeeper. Penalty for Kotoko. Saka Dauda wins a penalty for Kotoko. Goalkeeper Henry Adom in shock of the decision. It was a very audacious ball from Joseph Abla. Saka Dauda beat the defense line of Accelerate FC. Goalkeeper came forward. He beat the goalkeeper. This is the pass from Joseph Abla. Beautiful control by Saka Dauda. Goalkeeper Henry Adom clashed with Saka Dauda. Opoku Gilbert Ahin, the referee, points to the spot. Just look at the control. Kwame Opoku against Henry Adom. So far in this competition, Henry Adom has kept 2 clean sheets. If he is to keep a clean sheet today, he should stop this ball. Kwame Opoku. It is Kwame Opoku. Beautiful goal there. Kotoko up by a goal. Patrick's pass locates Kwame Opoku. Saka Dauda. This is Kwame Opoku. Yet again. A miss from the striker.
You just have to credit the defense of Accelerate FC.
Little time for Accelerate FC to come back. This is Kwame Ansu. Does a goal! Beautiful goal. Fantastic strike by all standard. Henry Kwame Ansu. He makes sure the game is 2-0 in favor of the Porcupine Warriors. The pass was good. What about the execution? Perfect. It is the same scoreline as Kotoko. You look at that laid-on pass and that belt of a strike by the Kotoko captain. Lord Amwa laid on the pass and Kwame
Right, so I don't need the course so MTNFA Cup anymore. I don't need other results. A Bas in a round of 16. You better how drawn a Bisiako and who faces who. Abra has not got cruising so far. 8 Premier League teams and 8 Division 1 clubs and are qualified for the next round of the competition. And so MTNFA Cup round of 16. Now, you can sign a Franco Trading Enterprise, or they see a concordant in some by Franco, phone Papa Feed or Nokia, Samsung, iPhone, no matter the phone, Franco Trading Enterprise, microphone, and the microphone say microwave, or baby out a Franco Trading Enterprise. And so now washing machine when you be on blender, CCTV cameras near Dignano, they are Franco Trading Enterprise now make come for a day and my warm numbers no. Shannon say weapon the numbers for be any baby 0246 4223 38 and of course 0555939311. The landline or 0302 225651. Franco Trading app on a Franco Trading Enterprise for Google Play Store and App Store. Better download your app on our to me and your madi and sour. So francotrading.com website I hope any website or more edijuma edition so sa from Franco 4K one pay that yet I would even some at the brain war. But body will me producer Kejuan Kasani Erica Sidu body. Yet the best Nadia Catwas upon the one Sambeba, you are near the Hosepe and Swat was so. Because I have begun.